Thank you, nigga, for donating your blood to the US Blood Bank. The US government will transfer $5,000 to your account in the next 5 minutes.
What?
Thank you for donating your blood to Nigerian Blood Bank. We have some proteinous goodies for you.
What? Funka!
Come back here tomorrow for the next 12 pints of blood you will be donating.
Oh my God.
What? I'll hit you with this one. Wait.
This kind thing I never see, yo. My pressure, they high got me down, whoa. My girl, hold on to me, yo. Never ever leave me for crash, oh. Girl, you they make me